Hi dear students, hope all are fine and safe at your home. The last class we have constructed a triangle using turtle art. In today's class we will be drawing another pattern which is related to a triangle. In your textbook page number 42, the activity extended activity 1 and the second diagram B that is consists of two triangles like a mirror image. So we'll be constructing that triangle, that pattern today. And with that we have almost completed this chapter. So like this you can create many patterns which likes you. Okay, so let us construct that pattern which is given in your textbook page number 42. So how to open the software turtle art or turtle block? Yes, go to applications, go to education, and here you can see turtle blocks. Click on that. Now what you have to do, you have to drag and drop the instructions inside this start. So we have already studied how to create a triangle, right? So first we need to turn the tortoise to right side, right 90, then forward 100. Just try that. Okay, now what we have to do, we need to turn this tortoise how much degree? 120 degree. 120 degree. So we have studied all those concepts. I have told all these concepts in the classroom. Left 120 and we need to forward 100. Now let us check it. Okay. Now one more thing, what you have to do, again you need to repeat the same steps. So left 120 and forward 100. Okay, so let us check that. Now we have constructed a triangle. Now we need to complete that given pattern, one more triangle at the down. So now the tortoise is in this position, in this direction. So how much degree he need to turn in order to start constructing the other triangle at the down? So he need to turn 60 degree only, 60 degree. So you just think about it. Okay, you just think about it. Why 60? Okay, if he's turning 120, then he will be moving to this direction. I'll show you. So suppose he is moving 120, left 120, 120, and you just check it. Okay, then it will be very clear to you. 120 means the tortoise is again creating the same triangle, right? He is pointing to this direction. So what we can do, we can change this 120 to 60. Now let us check again. Yes, now he is turning to the right direction, the correct direction. Okay, now we can follow the same step, forward 100. So let us check that. Yes, now again he need to turn 120, left 120. Only at this stage we need to turn the tortoise 60 degree, remaining all the same 120. Now let us check that. Okay, now forward 100. With that we have completed our tortoise, sorry, the triangle, the pattern. Okay, so this is how to create a pattern. So you think about how much degree a tortoise has to turn. Okay, so with that, or else if you are having any doubt, you just change the values here. Okay, so and you just try to draw the pattern, so you will get it. Okay, so this is very simple. uh, think logically, so then you will get all those patterns. And in the previous classes in your school, I told you you must know the concepts of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangles are having same sides with uh, angles equal. Okay, Indian angles are equal and the value is 60 degree. So also you must be aware of all those concepts. Okay, so that's all about today's class, dear students. So with this we have completed our chapter 5, and now in the next video we'll start our chapter 6. So that's all about today's class. Thank you very much, my dear students.